this video, we are going to present you a representation of the scientific of this time. But first, I'm going to give us an explanation of what is the scientific revolution. The scientific revolution is a concept used by the historians to change the science in the modern period that only changed the views of the society in astronomy, mathematics.
In the present and in the past, we use the image social careers in a lot of experiments. There is, for example, the microscope and a lot of different objects. If you never create that experiments, the scientists can help to the society to find a little of animals and objects who can help in service, for example.
Another person that was in the scientific revolution is Galileo Galilei. He invented the telescope and the compass. The telescope in our era we use to see the planets, the stars, and the moon. The compass we don't use all the time in our era, but the people use to see the north of the planet.
Now is a representation of how is the scientific on this time.
Hello, Galileo.
I would think that this rock was very small.
Oh yes, I was working in a project that is a microscope, that is the name. I can tell the little things, more biggest.
I was thinking about another project that was telescope. This project functions because you can see the stars and the planets. And my final project was the compass. This is a small thing that you demonstrate the north of the planet.
Oh, your project is so awesome. I think that I have to go, and I see you next day.
Okay, bye bye, Zacharias.
Bye, Galileo.
Conclusions. The first conclusion is that the scientific revolution was a moment in the history in which many innovations, things were invented. For those inventions, we are still in the 21st century. Another conclusion is that the scientific revolution have a lot of people who participate in it, and thanks for that, we have a lot of fabulous inventions. And the last conclusion is that the scientific revolution has a futuristic thought, and today we are actors and participants of these achievements.